All right, let's get right into it. From our analysis desk here at Talk Tickers, we're diving deep into a topic called account abstraction. Now, this isn't just some minor tech upgrade. We're talking about a fundamental revolution in how we all interact with the blockchain. It's this incredible, almost invisible layer that could finally fix crypto's biggest usability problem and truly open the doors for mainstream adoption.
So here's how we're going to break it down. First, we'll talk about the real problems that are holding crypto back. Then, we'll introduce the smart wallet solution, pop the hood to see how it works, and show off the amazing new experiences it makes possible. And to wrap it all up, we'll give you our market outlook and a peek at what's coming next.
For Web3 to really go global, it has to be as simple to use as the internet is today. But let's be honest, that front door, the crypto wallet, for most people, it's confusing, it's unforgiving, and frankly, it's a huge barrier keeping millions out.
Think about it. Remember setting up your very first wallet? Or trying to explain it to a friend? That feeling of pure anxiety, scribbling down a 12-word phrase and hearing, if you lose this, you lose everything. It's a super stressful experience, and it's a million miles away from the easy one-click signups we're all used to.
And this list just nails all the pain points, doesn't it? You've got the nerve-wracking job of hiding and managing those seed phrases, the constant need to have ETH on hand just to pay for gas, and the user experience, that clunky two-step dance of approve, then swap. And the best part, paying gas fees even when your transaction fails. These aren't just little annoyances, they're massive roadblocks.
But what if we could just make all of that complexity disappear? What if your crypto wallet felt as smooth and secure as your online banking app? Well, that's exactly the promise of account abstraction. This isn't just an improvement. It's a total reimagining of what a crypto account can even be.
So, what is this thing really? Simply put, account abstraction transforms your wallet from being just a dumb lockbox that opens with one single key into a programmable, intelligent, smart account. And the magic behind this is a standard called ERC4337, which lets us do all of this without having to change the core Ethereum protocol itself. Pretty clever.
And the difference here is just night and day. With a traditional wallet, if you lose your seed phrase, you're done. With a smart wallet, you can have social recovery through trusted friends. In the old world, you're stuck paying gas with ETH. In the new one, apps can pay your fees for you, or you can pay with something like USDC. And my favorite part, those slow, separate transactions can now be bundled into one single satisfying click. So let's take a quick peek under the hood. How does this all work? Well, it's all thanks to that technical standard I mentioned, ERC4337. Think of it as creating a separate express lane for user intentions that bypasses the rigid old-school way of doing things.
Okay, so here's the flow. First, your wallet creates something called a user operation. It's not a transaction, it's just your intent, what you're trying to do. Then, a service called a bundler grabs a bunch of these from different users. Next, a paymaster can jump in and offer to pay the gas fee for you. And finally, the bundler packages everything up and sends it to one global entry point contract, which handles all the verification and execution. It's like a behind-the-scenes relay race designed to make your life simple.
All right, enough of the technical stuff. That's the how. But the really exciting part is the so what. What does this actually mean for us? This new system unlocks a user experience that feels less like niche crypto and more like the seamless digital world we already know and love.
And hey, this isn't some futuristic dream. It's happening right now. The market is absolutely eating it up. Since this standard went live in March of 2023, we've seen over 40 million smart accounts created. They've processed more than 100 million transactions. That is some serious exponential growth, and it proves there's a massive demand for a better way.
Now this is one of the killer features. Social recovery. Forget seed phrases. You can now pick trusted friends or even your other devices to be guardians. If you lose your phone, a few of your guardians can vote to give you back access. This is it. This is the end of the seed phrase being a single point of catastrophic failure. It's a game changer. And it all adds up to that Web 2 feeling we've been missing in Web 3. You get gasless transactions, where apps can just pay the fee for you. That means new users can jump right in. You can batch actions, so approving and swapping a token is one click, not two. For things like gaming, you can use session keys to let an app make transactions for, say, an hour, without bugging you with constant pop-ups. And you can program your own security rules, like daily spending limits. It's just smarter.
So, from our analyst perspective, where is this all going? Look, account abstraction isn't just a cool feature.
It's a foundational platform for a whole new wave of innovation in user experience and even business models.
And the tech isn't standing still. Not at all. Just look at this comparison between the current standard, ERC4337, and a future upgrade called EIP7702. The key takeaway here is huge. This new upgrade will let all those millions of existing traditional wallets temporarily get these smart capabilities. Think about that. It expands the reach of these incredible features without forcing anyone to migrate their accounts. That's how you accelerate adoption.
This also completely flips the script on gas fees. We're heading toward a world of intent-based systems. You just say what you want to do, and a whole market of specialized solvers will compete to get it done for you at the lowest possible cost. We're going to see unified gas tokens that work across different chains, and maybe even AI models working in the background to find the absolute best gas strategies for you in real time.
You know, this quote from Vitalik Buterin just frames it all perfectly. He said, "The goal of crypto was never to remove the need for all trust. Rather, the goal of crypto is to give people more choice in whom to trust." And that's exactly what this is. It's not about some trustless fantasy. It's about giving us flexible, intelligent tools to build smarter, safer systems of trust. So our final analysis is this. Account abstraction is the foundational technology, that invisible engine that will finally close the gap between the raw power of Web3 and the simple, intuitive experience that everyone on Earth expects. This, right here, is how crypto brings in its next billion users.
This is not financial advice.